It's Wednesday the 28th of March, quite late on in the month, and I'm about to head out with Steve to the Grwyne Fawr reservoir to spend the night, first night in a bothy, which should be fun, and then in the morning we're going to head up Waun Fach and do a little loop around there to get my mount of the month done, because believe it or not, trying to do one mount in a month for some reason seems to be quite difficult. So we're here in Lock's garage to pick up our snacks for the hill. Trying to find them. This is stationery. I can't eat stationery. The ice cream. Actually, I want to have one just to show you what it looks like, but it's like that big. And Mr. Whippy, that's like you can't see my hand, so I'm gonna and do this. It's like that big. It's ridiculous. We found a nice, lovely fallen pine, and the great thing about pine is it's actually full of quite flammable resin. So these little thin sticks. Technical name is actually faggots. These will help light your fire really, really quickly. And then you can use the thicker parts of the branch and up to the limbs for your logs, obviously. The thing is with pine though, it does burn quite quickly, so if you can find some other wood to go with it, like a harder wood, such as oak and other bits and bobs, your fire will last a lot longer. Right, this blade that only just reaches through the tree, I'm going to leave him to it. Steve has been hard at work there. I've gone for the lighter option. We've got a little carry mat floor. Well, welcome to Casa al Grwyne Fawr reservoir, we'll call it. Yeah, Casa la Bothy. So we've got the fire going. Here he is, nice and toasty in there. That should keep us going for a while. Woo! And a nice message from Katie and Reese. They was here. Yeah, I tried that. That's the option. Yeah. I bought a whole load. It's just going to do. Yeah. Favourite Hereford hop. Say goodnight, Steve.
Good night, Steve.
Morning, everyone. Had a beautiful sleep in the bothy last night. Just got to remember to stand up here and duck for this bit. I did the opposite. This is pretty foolish. A bit of snow. Look at that. Just rolled in, just before breakfast. But yeah, should be a fun day. Good to go, Steve. Just about to set off. Thought I'd show you around in the sunlight. It was a bit dark last night, but as you can see, here is the bothy. That's the path we came down. Lovely spot. Lovely spot. No. Some of the day I just up on Pen y Gadair. So yeah, we are 2 for 1 today. We just found this little butte of a shelter going on just down by the river on the way back to the car. We did come across some other little, we'll call them campsites, where people decide it's fun to leave knives and lighter fuel and other bits and bobs, but look at this. Some person's come along and built a nice little shelter to sit. I wouldn't sleep in it, but definitely sit in there and relax in the summer. We'll grab ourselves a well-deserved pint. Just off for a pint in the Trekitt Inn. Wales' oldest inn, apparently. Bold statement.